Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahayu Sulistia with 3 last digit number 287. So in this video, I will explain the right answer of midterm assessment operation research. First question. A businessman named Irshad runs a pastry business. In a week, he has a stock of 120 kilograms of wet flour and 40 kilograms of butter. To produce 1 can of nastar cookies, 4 kilograms of wet flour, and 1 kilograms of butter are needed. Meanwhile, to produce 1 can of kastangel cookies, 6 kilograms of wet flour, and 4 kilograms of butter are needed. Determine the maximum profit that Irshad can get if each can of nastar cookies gives a profit of 40,000 and each can of kastangel cookies gives a profit 20,000. A. Create a mathematical model, and B. Find the profit using the graphic method. Okay, for point A, mathematical model. First step, we should to suppose. Suppose X is equals to the number of can of nastar cookies that produced by Irshad, and Y is equals to the number of can of kastangel cookies that produced by Irshad. Nah, my mistakes in this number is suppose. With objective function, Zmax is equals to 40,000 x plus 20,000 y. And constraint function first, 4x plus 6y less than equals 120. Next constraint, x plus 4y less than equals 40. And x and y bigger than 0. And B, find the profit. So first step, we should to draw graph. We should to find the intersect of 1 constraint and 2 constraint. So next step is find the feasible region. Next step is intersection between first constraint and second constraint. So the intersect is 24 and 4. And the last step is find feasible solution. So the feasible solution is 30 and 0. So to get maximum profit, Irshad can produce 30 can of nastar cookies only with maximum profit 1,200,000. Next question. Using the simplex method, determine the minimum value of G is equals to 3x plus 5y plus 4z that satisfy the constraint. First constraint, 2x plus 3y less than equals x, and second constraint, 2y plus 5z more than equal 10. And the last constraint, 3x plus 2y plus 4z is equals to 15, with x, y, and z bigger than 0. So first step, we should to convert to standard form. So objective function is G min is equals to 3x plus 5y plus 4z minus 0s1 minus 0s2 plus ma1 plus ma2 with constraint function 2x plus 3y plus s1 is equals to x, and next constraint 2y plus 5z minus s2 plus a1 is equals to 10. And the last constraint 3x plus 2y plus 4z plus a2 is equals to 15. So next step is iteration with initial table. First iteration, second iteration. Nah, since all of zj min tj is less than 0, then the tables are optimal. But there is non-base variable has value in zj min tj is equals to 0. Thus, this minimization case has multiple solutions, so we can continue to the next iteration. Nah, My mistakes in this number is I just adjust plus A2 in the last minute, so I'm not over the iteration. And the conclusion of number 2 is since all of Zj min Cj less than 0, the tables are optimal. So this minimization case has multiple solutions. There are x is equals to 7 over 3 and y is equals to 0 and z is equals to 7 over 3, or x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 and z is 15 over 4 with minimum value g min is equals to 15. The last number. Using the simplex method, determine the minimum value of z is equals to 18p plus 12q that satisfies the constraint with first constraint 3p plus 3q more than equals 24 and next constraint 2p minus 4q is equals to 8 and the last constraint 2p minus q less than equals 6 with p q bigger than 0. So using the simplex method, we should to convert to standard form with objective function is z min is equals to 18p plus 12q minus 0s1 minus 0s2 plus ma1 plus ma2 with constraint 3p plus 3q minus s1 plus a1 is equals to 24 and the next constraint 2p minus 4q plus a1 a2 is equals to 8 and the last constraint 2p minus q plus s2 is equals to 6. So my mistakes in this number is I'm not adjust the a2 in the second constraint, so totally my iteration is wrong. Next step is iteration. So there is a initial table, iteration 1, iteration 2. Nah, since all of Zj min Cj is less than 0, the tables are optimal. But there is still artificial variables in the base with value bigger than 0. Namely, A2 is equals to 32. So, this minimization case has no solution. So, I think that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.